In a colorful farm lives a little rooster named Dawny, who has dazzling feathers and a bright red comb. The animals of this farm are always in a daze, often forgetting the time and missing many important things. For instance, the lazy cows always wake up late, frequently missing their morning milking time. Without fresh milk, the children's breakfast is less nutritious. The sheep are no different, always oversleeping and missing the prime time for shearing. As a result, the sheep's wool got soaked in the rain, making it a difficult task for the shearers. The piglets woke up too late, missing their scheduled breakfast. Consequently, when feeding time came, they scrambled for food, creating a big mess. The horses too overslept, missing the cool of the early morning exercise. The high temperatures in the afternoon made them sweat profusely during training, leaving them utterly exhausted. The ducklings got up late, missing the best time for morning swims and foraging. As a result, the ducks couldn't find the tasty food they usually enjoyed in the river and went hungry all day. Seeing this, the farmer decided to have Dawny wake up all the animals every morning, helping them start their day on time. From then on, Dawny, like the farm's alarm clock, stood on the highest rooftop of the farm, crowing loudly as the first rays of sunlight lit up the earth. With Dawny's crowing, the animals on the farm began to wake up in an orderly fashion on time. In the morning, the milking was done smoothly for the cows, and the children finally had fresh milk for breakfast. In the morning, the sheep were sheared in time, and their wool was processed into warm hats and sweaters. In the morning, the piglets enjoyed their breakfast in an orderly manner, growing up happily and healthily. In the morning, the horses ran joyfully in the cool morning breeze. In the morning, the ducklings swam happily in the river, finding plenty of food. The animals were very grateful to Dawny, and the farmer was happy too. Dawny not only brought order, but also improved the efficiency of the farm. Because of Dawny's contribution, the rooster was revered by people and included in the Chinese Zodiac.